Juggling tasks, projects, and deadlines can feel like an Olympic sport, especially in today's fast-paced world. We rely on digital tools to stay afloat, and project management software like Asana has become a popular choice for keeping teams organized. But what if you're already deeply invested in the Microsoft ecosystem? Is there a Microsoft equivalent to Asana that seamlessly integrates with your existing workflow? The answer might surprise you. While there isn't an exact replica, Microsoft offers a strong contender, Microsoft Planner. So, let's dive into the deep end and explore how Planner stacks up against Asana, helping you decide which tool best suits your needs. The Asana Advantage, Feature Frenzy. Asana boasts a robust set of features designed to supercharge your project management. Think customizable dashboards, workload management, and time tracking, all wrapped up in a user-friendly interface. Asana excels at fostering team collaboration. You can create shared projects, assign tasks with clear deadlines, and track progress in real time. The comments section within tasks keeps everyone on the same page, fostering open communication and brainstorming. For the visually inclined, Asana's boards and timelines provide a clear overview of project flow. And power users will appreciate advanced features like automated workflows and integrations with popular third-party tools. The Microsoft Planner appeal. Integration is king. While Asana might be a feature powerhouse, Microsoft Planner shines in its tight integration with the Microsoft 365 suite. Think seamless syncing with Teams, Outlook, and OneDrive, a dream come true for those already living in the Microsoft world. Creating tasks directly from Teams conversations or emails eliminates the need for context switching, keeping your workflow streamlined. Plus, Planner's familiar interface feels intuitive for anyone comfortable with other Microsoft products. Don't underestimate Planner's core functionality either. You can create plans, think projects, assign tasks with due dates, and collaborate with team members through comments and file attachments. Kanban boards offer a visual representation of project progress, perfect for keeping everyone on track. Choosing your champion. A project management face-off. So, how do you decide which tool reigns supreme? Here's a breakdown to help you choose your champion. Choose Asana if you crave a feature-rich experience with advanced project management tools. Team collaboration and communication are top priorities. Visualizing workflows through boards and timelines is essential. Integration with third-party apps is crucial. Choose Microsoft Planner if you're deeply invested in the Microsoft ecosystem and value tight integration. A simple and familiar interface is important for your team. Streamlining workflow and reducing context switching is a must. Core project management functionalities like tasks, deadlines, and collaboration suffice. Ultimately, the best project management tool is the one that empowers your team to be most productive. Both Asana and Microsoft Planner are strong contenders, offering distinct advantages. If you crave a feature-rich, collaborative environment, Asana might be your perfect match. But for those deeply entrenched in the Microsoft ecosystem who prioritize seamless integration and a familiar interface, Microsoft Planner could be the key to unlocking project management success. So, what are you waiting for? Dive deeper into each platform, explore their free trials, and see which tool best equips you to conquer your project management goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.